So today is October 7th, 2010. We're in Kona, Hawaii, and Eric just put Chloé into the water, so they're coming back. So how did she do?
She did good. She did well. She likes it. She was a little bit pensive about it, I think. Like she went under one time. She didn't mind.
How did she end up going under?
We went under together.
How did that happen?
We did it.
Can I have some details, please?
Well,
That's why her whole face is wet?
Yeah, I kept going lower and lower and lower, and then finally when I thought she wasn't...
Did she choke?
No. She kept her mouth closed.
Uh-huh.
She seemed a little shocked by it, though. But she didn't complain.
You didn't stay under long, did you?
No,